M1045A2. The M1045A2 is an improved version of the basic variant of the M1045 HMMWV family designed and manufactured by the American company AM General. The M1045A2 Tube-Launched, Optical Tracked, Wire-Guided, TOW missile variant replaced the M1045 and the M1046 HMMWV. It provides ground mobility for the TOW missile system, giving commanders a more flexible and time-sensitive variance, medium to long-range, anti-armor capability. Marine Armor Kit, MAK, can be installed on the M1045A2. The M1045A2 is used to transport and launch TOW anti-tank missiles to defeat armored vehicles. The M1045A2 was intended to replace previous iterations of both the M1045 series and the M1046/A1 types.